Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the past tense. Now, everything that we've been doing so far has just been in the present tense, meaning that it's happening right now. For example, 저는 야구를 봐요. I watch baseball. 저는 농구를 좋아해요. I like basketball. 골프가 더 재밌어요. Golf is more entertaining. TV를 보고 싶으세요? Do you want to watch TV? The past tense, however, is used to show things that happened in, well, the past. Things that have already happened. For example, you could change the sentence, I watch baseball to become, I watched baseball. Or I like basketball becoming, I liked basketball. Golf is more entertaining could become, golf was more entertaining. And do you want to watch TV could become, did you want to watch TV? Fortunately, if you can already conjugate the present tense that we've been doing this whole time, then you can conjugate the past tense just with an added step. First, conjugate the verb as normal without adding the yo to the end. Then attach a double 시옷 to the bottom of that, followed by 어요, and you're done. Here are a few examples. 가다 would become 갔어요. 먹다 would become 먹었어요. Here's a sentence. 오늘 운동을 해요. I exercise today. Well, this could become 어제 운동을 했어요. I exercised yesterday. In the present tense, we learned that the verb 이다 to be becomes either 이에요 after a consonant or 예요 after a vowel. For example, 거기에 동물이 있어요. 고양이예요. There is an animal over there. It's a cat. However, 이다 in the past tense becomes 이었어요 after a consonant or 였어요 after a vowel. For example, 거기에 동물이 있었어요. 고양이였어요. There was an animal over there. It was a cat. So let's do some practice on our own. Try changing each of these 6 sentences from the present tense into the past tense. You can pause the video here and then resume it when you're ready. Here are the answers. 날씨가 아주 더웠어요. The weather was very hot. 제 여자친구는 친절했어요. My girlfriend was kind. 제 남자친구를 빨리 보고 싶었어요. I wanted to see my boyfriend quickly. Now, 빨리 can also be used to just mean as soon as possible or right away. So I wanted to see my boyfriend as soon as possible. Also note that 보고 싶다, literally to want to see, is also the way to say that you missed someone. So just saying 보고 싶어요 means I want to see you or I miss you. 여기에 사과가 있었어요. There was an apple here. 저는 한국어를 가르쳤어요. I taught Korean. 빌리 씨의 집에 갔어요. I went to Billy's house.
날씨가 아주 더웠어요. 제 여자친구는 친절했어요. 제 남자친구를 빨리 보고 싶었어요. 여기에 사과가 있었어요. 저는 한국어를 가르쳤어요. 빌리 씨의 집에 갔어요.
Before we go, some notes. When you're using the 으시다 form in the past tense, it will become either 으셨어요 after a consonant or just 셨어요 after a vowel. Here's an example of that. 우리 할머니도 중국어를 공부하셨어요. My grandmother also studied Chinese. 선생님은 나가셨어요? Did the teacher go outside? And we'll do more practice with this in a later lesson. So in this lesson, we talked about the present tense again, as well as how to use the past tense, and even how to use the past tense with honorific verbs. So practice everything that we've learned today, and I'll see you guys again in the next lesson. 그럼 다음에 또 봐!